Scottwood Farms, as well as the Mason Falls Marathon. Scottwood Farms is owned and operated by Scott and Luann Wood. With the help of their sons and grandchildren, they proudly raise crops and cattle on the family homestead that was established in 1904. Scott and Luann are both Sugar St. High School alumni, and all of their kids were Sugar St. High School alumni, and many of their grandchildren have been Sugar St. High School alumni.
Let's go, Terance.
The Mason Falls Marathon and Half Marathon.
Settle in right there. Settle out your forward.
Come on, Jerry.
Hear that
Taken
bottom
on
knee?
Scenic Highway 47, Charlie National Forest, and in the city of Ashland.
Got plenty of time.
This year
You
marks
got
the 30th year for these races. The Mason Falls
Work that
Marathon
knee to
works
the top of the
with
ribs.
North Fremont
Top of
Sugar
the
St. High
ribs.
School cross-country
1
teams,
minute.
and is a proud sponsor of the Battle for the Buck Wrestling Tournament.
Right on the top of the ribs. Knee to the top of the ribs. Be ready to kick that foot out. Yep. Push it down now. Push it down. Yep. Chin to the shoulder. Don't let up. You got 25. Ride tough. Let's finish on top here.
Come on, Jerry.
We got short time. 10 seconds, Terry. We got 10. Stay tight. Now we're good. Control the wrists. Forward.
Good time.
Ride tough. 5 seconds. 3. Ready to shoot in neutral. Hands low. Keep moving. Yep, finish. Finish. Bury it. Bury it. Finish. Turn his face. Go to the back foot if you need to. Shoot the hip.
Squeeze, Terance.
Squeeze. Yep. Ride it.
From Salem, your champion by fall, Terance.